Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lemonade mojito. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1/2 of a lime cut into wedges, and 2 ounces of crisp white rum. Don't forget 4 ounces of your favorite lemonade for that sweet and tangy base. Finally, a splash of club soda will give it that perfect, bubbly finish. It's a super easy and refreshing drink. Now let's get to the fun part, muddling. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle your 10 to 12 mint leaves with the lime wedges. This simple step is crucial as it releases all those wonderful aromatic oils and fresh lime juice. Next, pour in your 2 ounces of white rum, followed by 4 ounces of that delicious lemonade. Give it a good stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended together. You're almost there. With your flavors perfectly mixed, it's time to chill things down. Fill your glass completely with ice cubes. This will ensure your lemonade mojito is wonderfully cold and refreshing. Then, for that signature mojito fizz, top off your drink with a generous splash of club soda. This adds a delightful effervescence and lightness. For a final touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of lime. It looks as good as it tastes. And there you have it. Your very own homemade lemonade mojito is complete and ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor this perfect balance of sweet, tart, and refreshing flavors. It's an ideal drink for a warm afternoon, a backyard barbecue, or simply relaxing after a long day. This easy-to-make cocktail is sure to impress, so don't hesitate to share this fantastic recipe with your friends and family. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.